There's Mama cow that just had this little baby the other day. Today is December 30th. Oh! And this is the heifer that I bought end of October off of a farmer. It's a Hereford Holstein cross that I'm going to be using her for another breeder. I've been bottle feeding her. She's almost done her last bag of milk replacer. She's been down to milk once a day. And this is the baby, number 47, which was born a few days ago. Is doing fine. I'm still not sure what sex it is because I can't get close to it, but I believe it's a male for a little bit that I can see. And Mama's over there in the hay right now. It's really funny to come out here at night and the calf is laying there by the hay feeder, and Mama has pulled hay out of the hay feeder and buried it in there. I left the gate open. Come on, get back in there. Get back in there. That's the heifer there that I bought end of October. She's been doing really good. She was locked up in her pen until the day this calf was born. That calf over there. And then I opened it up, leaving the top of the door closed so that the calves can go in and out. I put this wire up so the calves can't come into the yard. Yeah, see? And the baby's over there. And Mama's eating in the hay feeder. Okay, later.